Hello friends, this side Saurav and you are watching Tech Saurav. So today's video I am going to tell you a one real alternative of chat. In this video I am going to tell you how you can earn money with the help of this application. This is a real and genuine website. A lot of people already work on this website. So that's why I come here to take this application. So please watch the video till the end so that you can understand the whole process properly. First of all, in this video I'm only show you how you can earn and how you can solve questions, because the criteria of this application is very simple. You can easily log in on this application. This video I'm making in English. If you are not comfortable in English, so you can comment me in the comment box. I make next video in Hindi on this topic also. So without wasting any further time, let's begin the video. First of all, the name of this application is School Solver. School Solver Expert. You go on the Google and there you simply search School Solver Expert. So here you can see the first link, School Solver. You can click here first, then you click there, so you can see the interface like this. And firstly I will show you the comments who people already work on this website. So you can see there the ratings from the experts who already work on this websites are very good, because they given a very good comments on this website. Like this, there's a person name is Ahmed, and he said, I'm a professional and I'm working on this website. You can see on this website all the comments on that persons who have already worked on these websites. So you can see this, like lot of comments are written by the experts who have already worked on this website. And if you scroll some little bit more, so you can see trusted and recommended by thousands of students. So this websites by recommended a thousand of students. It is a genuine website and you can work it easily on this website as similar like check. So you can see there one comment like check.com is overpriced and not helpful. Schoolsolver.com is where I go. So guys, you can see this comment, check.com is overpriced. It says the check.com is very overpriced, means they cannot provide the whole money which students wants, and not helpful. It means he says the school solver is more comfortable as compared to check. So and school solver is where I go. So he said I recommend the schoolsolver.com as compared to check.com. So you can see a lot of comments there, and they comments was put it down on the Twitter account, so you can see also there. So it means this is a genuine website and you can work it easily, but you have to do your own research so that you can know about the reality on this platform. But I researched and asked a lot of peoples and lot of my friends who have already worked on this website. He said me this is a genuine website, but your first preference is you have to do your own research. After that you have to log in on this website. So firstly, how you can work on this website, I have to shown the comments who have already worked on this website. So now I want to tell you how you can earn money on this website. First of all, you have to log in there. You have to see in the option of login and you can click it there, and you have to make your account. After that, I have already registered on this platform, so I have shown you how you can solve the questions on this website. There you have to see the option answer questions above. So I want to click there, and now you have to see a lot of questions available on this website, and they will pay us on the dollars. And the amount of the dollars are very high in this platform as compared to check. You have to see on the screen $2,000 per question. Like the category is biology, and there the price of the question they will pay us $2,000. And this is the question. It sounds like you are concerned about questions. This is a question, and below this question you have to see a lot of questions are available, and the price of these questions is less as compared to the biology question, because the biology questions answer are very high, because biology is a very huge subject and the answer of this question is also very huge, so it consumes a lot of time. So that's why the dollar amount of this biology subject is very high as compared to another subjects. Okay, so this is the mathematics question, and the category is accounting. If you have to knowledge about the accounting, so you have to do this question easily. And there you can see urgent, it means who student puts this question, they want the answer of this question very urgently. So the posted question of the this question is 27 May. You have to see the date also. Posted question, the posted question date is 27 May, and due date is also 27 May. It means you have to do the answer of these questions today. If I make this video on 27th May, so I give the answer of these questions today also, because this is the urgent question. Be urgent means if the students do the exam, if students do the practice test, so that's why they have to put it the question on the school solver, because there they have to give the answer very instantly as compared to check. Because if I talk about the check, so lot of people give the answers on the check, and the way of the answering is very different from all of the experts. But in there mostly students give the correct answer. So, and a lot of peoples are don't do not know about this application. And if I talk about the check, so check is very popular in all over the India as well as another countries also. So this application is not in very boom, so you have to make account on this application, and you have to earn very handsome amount of money to solve at least one question in a week and in a month. Then you have to see a lot of questions there. Geography questions are also available, and the price of these are $50. You have to see left hand side of the geography. So if you solve this question of geography, you have to earn $50 easily. And then engineering question, and this is the English subject, and if you will solve this question, you will earn $25 easily. So there are many questions will be available, you have to do easily. So if you want to know, I make the video on this topic on brief, so you have to comment me in the comment box. And if you want to video on this topic in Hindi, so you also comment me in the comment box. I will make the video on this topic in brief, so that you have to understand all the procedure easily. So thank you. This video is end here, and if you like this video, so please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.